Why zirconia tooth is cracking or they worn out everything. So this video I'm going to show you more regarding how we made it about zirconia denture instead of the denture tooth. Well, sometimes patient the grinding quite a bit even though they had a denture 1 year later, 2 years later, and the denture teeth no matter what using the denture teeth. Ceramic denture teeth is not rigid just like zirconia restorations. So even though I'm using the ceramic teeth, they call ceramic teeth, right? It's not real ceramic teeth for me. So this patient is so grinding everything just like our denture teeth. I don't think I made a denture previously. The denture which the doctor provided us and just grinding, just heck of grinding everything. This case is upper denture, lower partial, it's metal partial, it's a 3-3, top 3-3, so 12 teeth, upper and lower 6 teeth. So I fabricated with the zirconia restoration, which is monolithic from denture teeth. So I'm going to show the old processing, which is dental laboratory processing, from the beginning, the wax setup, from the bite block. The resetting the tooth from the repositioning from the doctor articulations, which is we did it, and then after we did it, we take it out carefully, denture teeth from the bite block area. As you can see in my video, we make the hole, right? We'll carbide bore using that, and then we drill the horizontally, and then we vertically we make the hole, the denture tooth. So what it does, we have to copy exactly. And then we just cleaned up, we just scanning with the denture tooth inside, outside, which is 360 degree. And then we just copy. The problem is whenever you scan exact 360 degree, it did not turn out perfectly because there's so many undercut. No problem, because after we mill, even though it's not much hole, the retention hole, but we're grinding before we sinter. And then after that, it's pretty simple. After once we get it, and then we sinter. Zirconia crown about 25% is bigger, so I have to shrink it normal shape and contour just like denture teeth. we made it the luster, put it in the top of that. I'm using the CGI of their luster and make the color matching the denture teeth, the front teeth, and the posterior teeth, lower teeth, coloring. Now we just processing together to hammer down, you can see, and then after drill it, and then we have a grinding, and there's a polish technique. A lot of people doesn't know about Zirconia denture. Probably a little expensive. Yes, kind of a little expensive than the regular denture because we made all zirconia restorations. But you can ask him for the dentist and then protect your teeth. And then this is the plastic acrylic, so they just move it easily. Today's trying to give you the another option which is non-breakable, right? And no grinding. So that's why I'm trying to give it to them so they can wear more longer time, longer periods. So like I said, I'm trying to make the good product as much as possible for all my clients and include our patients throughout these 45 different states, even nationwide too. Thanks for supporting our YouTube channel and all social media. Thank you very much.